Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, so this is part 3 of the Golden Fluid Acrylics product testing. I added 3 drops of 3-in-1 silicone in each of these cups. I am using the primary cyan, primary yellow, and the quinacridone magenta in the fluid acrylics. I am using Floetrol as my pouring medium. And I'm going to do a flip cup. So far, I have to say I'm very surprised because I am not in love with these fluid acrylics. At first I thought it was just the GAC 800 was too thin and I wasn't getting coverage on these sides, on the edges here, and then the sides were just turning to mud. I have added more pigment to the mix to see if that helps. Maybe it's user error. Always a possibility. But yeah, so we'll see. So I've got base coat here. I'm gonna lay down. This is just titanium white and Floetrol. This is my third painting on this canvas today. The first 2 were ring pours, and probably the last 2 videos that I put up. And they were not salvageable. The sides just did not look good. Definitely not impressed so far, which is very, very shocking to me, because I use golden acrylics for my brushwork, not the fluid acrylics, but the heavy bodied, and that stuff is absolutely amazing. Amazing for brushwork. Could not believe the difference between basics for that and the golden, and I was immediately sold and said I will not be using anything but golden for my brushwork anymore because the coverage was so good and it blended so easily and so well. But so far I'm not having any luck with these fluid acrylics. Alrighty. So I'm actually going to do a little squirt of the blaster in my cup to get the paint to release. You don't want to spray that near your canvas. I am probably going to be moving away from the coconut milk hair serum because I absolutely loathe the cleanup, how hard it is to clean. I didn't have this much issue with the 3-in-1 or the blaster. So the blaster is just basically coating the cup. There's none pulled up in the bottom. Actually, let me get any bubbles out of there. So I will do the same order as I've been doing. So yellow, magenta, blue. Alrighty. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to let that sit for a second. Let the paint pull away from the cup. Okay, here goes. Lots of mud here. I'm going to tilt that off. Okay, so here it is close up. Not a lot of color separation. There was a lot of mixing. You can see the edges are just blending. Well, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed. I'm not in love with these fluid acrylics. I'm kind of bummed. Perhaps someone from Golden can tell me what I'm doing wrong. So there you have it. I mean, it's not hideous, but it is not the color separation I was hoping for. There's a lot of unpretty green right there. That is not an attractive color green to me. So there it is. Okay, I kept this one just to see what the end result would be. And this is it. It is just a dark mess. Got some random cells popping up there that weren't there before. You can see the sides. They're still not that pretty. So, yeah, I'm not in love with these fluid acrylics from Golden. I'm really bummed. I was hoping to enjoy them as much as I enjoy their heavy-bodied paints for brushwork, because that's the best stuff I've found for doing brushwork. But the fluid acrylics are not doing it for me. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you have a beautiful day and go make some art.